Hello family, and welcome back to It's Gotta Be Done. On this channel, guys, I talk about all things health and well-being, and I'll take you guys on my health and well-being journey. Guys, if you are new, guys, I welcome you with open arms. Make sure that you click the like button, and if you love what you see, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can see more content like this. And guys, if you are returning, I love and appreciate your endless support. Should we get into it, right? Because the video is kind of already going. Guys, in today's video I'm making orange lemon clove tea. That is right, guys, this tea is so delicious and detoxifying. It's incredible. If you are on a weight loss journey and you're wondering what to make that is natural, get your oranges, get your lemon, and get some cloves. There's so many health benefits to all of the three ingredients, and it's very, very simple. All I'm doing right now is I've washed my fruits and the cloves, so they're all ready to literally be put in the pot. So I'm just cutting my oranges and my lemon into small sizes. Guys, if you only want to use the peels, you can, but I just use the whole thing so I can get the sweetness from the orange, so then I don't have to add any honey or anything to it. It's all natural and I can just have it as it is. I did count the clove. I believe I had about 15 cloves there, but you can use less because it's quite potent in taste. So if you're not used to the taste cloves, I would say just use less than a 15, but I really wanted this drink to be potent for my liking. So all I've done now, on the stove, I've put the pot on the stove with water. I've let it simmer for a bit, and then you can bring it to boil before you add, but hey, my patience. So I'm just adding everything in now, guys, and then I'm gonna add the cloves as well. Make sure that you do not use tap water. I've used bottled water instead, guys. I will leave all the benefits of the orange, the lemon, and the clove in the description box below. So if you want to know more, guys, like I always say, I am not a nutritionist, nor am I a health practitioner. Just seek professional advice before you take on any well-being before you go on your well-being journey. Just go and seek that advice first. So we're just going to place the lid. That's right, 20 minutes later it has boiled and we've let it cool down, and that's right, that is all there, guys. You can use because all I'm going to do now, I'm just going to simmer the drink out. You can drink this hot, you can drink this warm. That is the great thing about this drink. I'm just gonna literally use the sieve and make sure that I don't have any bits to the drink. Guys, if you are liking what you see, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. And this is it, the drink is there. I hope you have enjoyed the video, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. We're gonna make a refreshing drink. Make sure you click the thumbs up and you like the video, so if you want to see more content like this, I can bring you some. Guys, my drink is ready. I'm gonna drink this out throughout the day. It's great for weight loss, it's great for antibacterial. It's just a very, very delicious, simple drink that can be used that can be drunk hot or cold throughout the day. Add some ice and there you go, guys. Once again, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.